Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the EyeQue Vision Check solution. This is going to allow you to take a vision test at the convenience of your home. It's also going to allow you to order glasses. And you know what? This is not an unboxing. This is a real review because not only did I go through the process, but I got my glasses too, and I've had them for several weeks. I want to share what my experience is with the solution. And here's a spoiler. They work. Now the team from EyeQue Vision Check reached out to me and sent me this kit, but they have not seen this video, nor have they influenced the content in this video. Matter of fact, when they reached out and said, hey, would you like to test this out? I told them I would only test this out if I could actually end up with glasses in hand, because it's important to me as a glass wearer that this actually worked. So this is not about just doing an unboxing and saying, hey guys, this is what's in the box and this is how it works, but it's also giving you my experience as a glass wearer, someone who wears glasses, what my experience was like. So we're going to go through what's in the box as a standard unboxing. I'm going to talk to you about my experience on how the order process went and how the technology was actually used to order my glasses. And then finally, I'm going to show you my glasses and let you know what I thought. Now inside the box, you're going to find a device that's going to allow to measure your vision as well as some accessories. So first of all, this is the actual device that you'll be using. This is what you would connect to your phone to do the vision test. You have a strap that's actually going to make sure that there's a security placed around your phone. You have a charging cable that you'll be able to use. And then you have these white glasses. These are not the glasses that you're going to be receiving, but this is what's going to allow it to measure like your pupil distance and the alignment of your prescription as you wear glasses. So this is an important piece. So these are all the components. Now the one thing that is not included obviously is a phone. So you will need your phone, and by the way, this will work both on an Android device as well as an iOS device too. Now setting up your phone for the vision test is pretty simple. All you have to do is download the app. Once you have the app downloaded, you'll register and set your email because all of your prescription findings or the results are going to be stored online for you at your convenience. Now the other thing is that you'll take the vision checker, which you see right here. So again, this is the EyeQue Vision Check solution. You'll connect it to your phone just like this, and you use the strap to lock it in. Now, you'll notice the first thing is I have a screen protector, and it does work with the screen protector. And as I mentioned, this is going to work with both iOS and Android, so you don't have to worry about anything there. Now, once you're going through this test, you can expect, as I mentioned, to invest around 5 to 10 minutes per eye. It could be a little bit faster, it could be a little bit slower, depending on how long it takes for you to go through the test. And it's a real simple test. If you've gone to the eye doctor before, and probably you have if you wear glasses, you'll notice that they'll put you in front of a machine that actually has you look into a distance, and it kind of focuses. It takes two colors and it kind of blends them in together to create a specific image. So you have that same kind of technology is applied here. You'll be looking at two bars, a red and a green bar, and then what it's going to do is you'll be adjusting them until they blend in perfectly together. And you'll be using these buttons here to adjust it, and then what you'll do is you'll commit it as well. You do that for each eye. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is a really convenient solution that you can do it at home. And even if you have a screen protector like I have, you don't really have to worry about that because you'll be able to configure that inside of the app. Now, once you've completed this test and you've done the test on both eyes, it's going to walk you through the next step in the process. You complete the test, and after you've completed the test, what you'll do is you'll wear these glasses, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on so you can see what you can expect. Once you put on these glasses, what you'll notice is that there's these little T's here, right? So you'll be looking at your phone, not with the actual adapter on it. You'll take off the adapter, you'll be looking at your phone, and then as you're looking at your phone, it is going to frame your pupil, right? Your pupils with these T's that you see here to determine the perfect alignment for your glasses, right? So now you're about, let's say you were investing 5 to 10 minutes on the test. Now you're another 5 minutes in. So now you're about 15 minutes total. Once you do this, you're done. Now the next step in the process is to order your glasses, and you'll do this off from the convenience of your phone, but there is a website as well that you'll be able to use. Now this is what the glasses will look like when they come in their box. There's going to be a shipping box that they come in, and then you'll be able to take them out and they'll be here. These are the testing glasses. These are the glasses to test your prescription. They're not the, I would say, the most attractive glasses. I would say as soon as my wife saw them, she says, hey, you look like Harry Potter. But here they are. So these are the glasses. And what was important to me is, like I said during the review, is that they actually worked. So this is what they would look like. Again, at the convenience of your home to be able to get your own glasses. And I'm sure there's going to be other styles that will be coming out to give you some more options. But the cool thing about this is that the prescription actually works. So I've been testing these out. I've been using these for a week. They're not my style per se, you know, as you compare them to the other ones I have. I go more for the square glasses, right, like this one right here. But they work. So the prescription is accurate. I'm able to see through them. More important, I was able to use them for days and not actually experience any kind of headaches, right? So that's one thing that's really important. As an eyeglass wearer, if your prescription is on, what will happen is it's not just that you can see, but over extended period of time, if you have something off, and I think many of you may have experienced this as well, you could experience some type of headaches or even eye fatigue. I didn't experience that at all, so I was really surprised on how accurate they were and the fact that they actually worked. So guys, that wraps up our review of the EyeQue Vision Check. It really works. Checked all the boxes. I was able to go through the test, and I even got my glasses too. I'll see you in the next one.